Hello, and welcome to an instructional video about how to create your advising e-portfolio. During this video, I'm going to show you step-by-step how to create and use your online Google e-portfolio for the purposes of your advisement. I've shared with you a Microsoft Word document with step-by-step instructions. And of course, you'll have this video to go back to rewatch sections if necessary. The first step you're going to do is log into Google Sites. You need to use Chrome or Firefox. Those have proven to be the preferred website browsers. You're going to log into Google, and you're going to go to sites.google.com. Once you're at sites.google.com, you're going to hit the plus sign to create your own blank e-portfolio. You might choose to use a template. I find the templates can be somewhat cumbersome to get them exactly how you need them to be, but you're welcome to try them if that is what you'd like to do. If you choose to create a blank e-portfolio, then the default is going to look a bit like this. And Jacob Cutterback, one of our music ed students, has given me permission to use his e-portfolio as the example today. The first thing you're going to do is name your site. His name is ePortfolio. And you're also going to double click this text box and give yourself a heading. He chose his name as the heading, which makes a lot of sense. Then you need to start creating your tabs. You need one tab for each semester of study that you're here. So Jacob has all the following tabs to show his semesters. To create a new page or tab, you're going to go to Pages, and scroll down to the plus sign, hover over that, and go to New Page. You don't want a link here. You want a new page. We're going to call this page Resume, because Jacob needs to have his resume on here. Let's create another one. How about Clearances? Because Jacob is a music education major, he needs to show his clearances, so we need to have a page for that. Now you can see Resume and Clearances immediately populated onto his site. If I continue to scroll down, I can see his other semesters here under More. Let's say I want to add something to fall 2020. What do I need to have? I need to have all my syllabi from all my courses. I need to have a narrative reflection, and I need to have a course artifact. That means if we click on fall 19, let's see what Jacob has. He's got all his syllabi here. We're loading slowly. As we go down, we'll see at the bottom, here's his reflection and his artifact. He's done a really nice job of populating his portfolio to be ready for advisement last year. I'm sure he'll get it ready for this year as well. The first step you will take, I'm going to scroll down in our directions in case you're following along. The first step you'll take when you are uploading your documents is to go into your Google Drive. And you need to upload your syllabi into Google Drive because the site talks to Google Drive in helping you share permissions. So I'm going to upload a syllabus for you. I'm going to go, let me show you that again. I'm going to go to New. I'm going to go to File, Upload, because I want to take a Microsoft Word or a PDF and I want to upload. So I'm going to go into one of my classes. I'm going to upload my Intro to Music Ed syllabus. Syllabus Fall 20, there it is. I'm going to upload that, and it's going. All right, there it is. Okay. I'm going to tell it to, oops, that's not what I want. I need to tell it that it's okay to share this because you need your advisor to be able to see every syllabus you upload. So I'm going to hit share. Now in here, you've got a couple different options. Let's say Dr. Baker was my advisor. I could say, all right, I need to share with Dr. Baker. Yes, okay. Now I'm already sharing with him. And I'm sharing, this is one of my students that you just happen to see here, Chrissy. So she's coming up because this document has already been shared with her. So you have the option to either type in the people here. Let's say I want to share this with Jacob. I could say, all right, yep, share with Jacob. I'm going to put that in. He's an editor. We'll send that then he'll be notified that he can now see and edit this document in my ePortfolio. Here's another way to do it. And go to share again. I'm going to get a link this time. I'm going to copy my link. And now when I go back into my ePortfolio, whoops, right here, I want to put either that uploaded document or that link right onto my page. I'm going to go to insert. So I'm going to show you both ways to do this. The first is to embed the link. Very simple. I've copied it. There it is. I insert it. It's done. I think this is the fastest, simplest way to embed the document into your portfolio. From here, we can put a divider so that now this is one class. Let's say I want to do another one for another class. All I did, double click the space where I want the document to go. Let's say this time I want to upload from Drive. I don't have the link copied. So this time I want to upload, I'm going to look for syllabus. There it is, syllabus fall 20. And now that populated it right under my divider. The biggest challenge our students have is they share their documents in their ePortfolio, but they haven't given permission for their faculty to, or their advisor, to view the document. You must go into your Google Drive and you must give permission for your advisor to view your document. It's okay if other people have permission as well. You don't have to make them editors. They can just be viewers. That's fine. But if you don't give them permission to see the document, they will not see it in your ePortfolio. You will be able to see it because you're the author of the document, but you must give permissions. Okay? Share your document and give permissions. You'll continue to play around with things like the, let me get rid of this, dividers and buttons and placeholders. If you have, maybe you want to have a tab, I'm going to insert another page of videos. Maybe you want to share some of your performances. You can insert a YouTube video directly to your site. And as long as it's not a private YouTube video, you don't even have to worry about the sharing. If you've made it public. If it's private, then you'll need to adjust your sharing in YouTube. Your permissions sharing, rather. You can play around with your themes, with anything that you want to make this look more beautiful. That's not required. That's extra. What's required? Again, I'm going to type it in here so everyone can see. A page with fall 2020. What's required? A resume, a tab for concert programs. Now this semester, you're exempt from the concert programs requirement because with COVID, it's very hard to see it. However, most semesters, you will be required to have concert programs. So if you're watching this and it isn't fall 2020, you need to make sure you have your concert programs put in here. You need, if you're music ed, you need your clearances. You might choose to have recordings, compositions, whatever it is. Those are items that you might put in this portfolio. I'm trying to think through if there's anything I'm forgetting. If there is, I'll put it in the email of what specific tabs you need. Fall 2020 should include all your syllabi. It should include your course reflection, I'm sorry, your semester reflection, and your course artifact. I hope this informational video is helpful for you in building your own ePortfolio. I welcome your questions. We could even Zoom and you could share your page with me if you're concerned or confused about how to do it. Do not forget to share your document with your advisor before you embed it into your e-portfolio. That's the biggest challenge that our students have. Give permission for your advisor to view it before you embed it, and you'll be great. Sites.google.com, log on, create your portfolio, and have some fun with your new website. Good luck, everybody. Bye-bye.